Hi guys, welcome back to your boys 72 guys. Make sure you guys, if you guys play Fortnite, first of all, make sure you guys use code
YB72.
Yeah, you guys heard that code YB72, all caps, yes sir. Thanks to Shaf and Donovan and Usman for making that code for us. And last time when I was here, we were going to
Adelaide.
Yes, we were going to Adelaide, that's right. Today we are going to
Phillip's Island, yeah.
So make you guys heard it, make sure you guys like and subscribe. So guys, we just got off. I just bought myself a frozen Coke and frozen raspberry. Usman got up and go, and we got some snacks here, this, and we have some more stuff at the front, so let's continue the journey.
This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Cold skin, drag my feet on the tile as I'm walking down the corridor. And I know we haven't talked in a while, so I'm looking for an open door. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me in a waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please.
So guys, we just stopped at the chocolate factory, which I'm about to show you guys right there. So guys, I am just here inside. Whoa, I'm gonna show you guys something. If I hold on to this, look at this button. Make some chocolate for us. This one here.
Through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. And
Guys, sorry I couldn't record that much inside. They said no cameras, you can't take cameras inside there, so I couldn't record that much. But basically there was just some games and just chocolate factory, basically what things like chocolate, obviously.
And I can't stop myself from falling down. And I can't stop myself from falling down. And I can't stop myself from falling down. Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby.
Guys, after the chocolate factory, we have came to the beach nearby the chocolate factory. It's super cold. I don't know if you guys can hear me. You guys can. You guys might not hear me so far because as it's so windy. Just see you guys. All I'm gonna say. See you guys in the next shot. just have stopped at a circus. We're just gonna go and go inside the circus as it's right there. Let's go, and I'll try my best to show you what's going on inside there. So let's go. Arrived home. Sorry I couldn't once again vlog that much for you guys, but hopefully next time when I go I can vlog that much. Most of the places where we went didn't let us vlog that much, so all I want to say is make sure you guys like and subscribe, and now I'm going to bed. I'm really tired.